Assalamualaikum dear students, I am your spoken teacher and I am here to teach you vocabulary words. Before we start our lesson, first of all, write date and day and then topic vocabulary words. So let's start today's lecture. Our first word is cavalry. Cavalry means ghursavar. Our second word is cheerful. Cheerful means zindadi. Our third word is dedicate, वक्फ करना, reduce, अखज़ करना, defective, नाकस, ख़राब, enrich, बेहतर बनाना, ज़रख़ेज़ करना, entreaty, इल्तिजा, अर्ज़, exhale, सांस बाहर निकालना, एक्सक्यूज़िट, नहायत उम्दा, फेंट, बेहोश होना, ग्लिम्स, झलक, गुडविल, खैरखाही, हेल, औला, यालाबारी, ऑनरेबल, काबिल एहतराम, इम्पुटेशन, इल्ज़ाम, तोहमत, इम्पुटेशन, इल्ज़ाम, तोहमत. So students, that's all our today's work. All of you will learn these words and send a short video to me. Respect your parents and your elders. Stay safe, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.